Hi there, I'm Courtney. This is Solavi Holistic, and you're watching another 2-minute meditation. We're gonna just jump right in and get started today. So get your body in something that feels like a comfortable position. Close your eyes and just breathe. And we start with the breath because it is an access point that we always have with us. It gives our brain some place to go. As you pay attention to the breath, it's easier to drop the to-do list, the worry list, or all of the other ways that we occupy our thoughts. Let those go. Just feel the cool air on the tip of your nose. There's nothing else to do here except to be with that sensation. And your thoughts might begin to wander. And it's okay. It doesn't mean that you're doing it wrong. It means that you are a cognitive being. Our brains are designed for thought. The essence of this practice is to notice when your thoughts start to drift away. Bring them back to the breath. That's the success of meditation, if we want to call it that. And you can allow the breath to also be a tool, bringing relaxation in with every exhale. As your shoulders drop, your arms rest heavy, all the tired muscles of your neck and your jaw release. You can use the exhale to cue that letting go. And you can use the inhale to breathe in love and light, hope, and all good things. Breathe them right in and let go with the exhale. And if your thoughts start to drift away, just bring them right back to the tip of your nose. The whole universe exists right there. And sadly, I guess we should open our eyes now. I feel like I could stay in that state for a while, but I do want to be respectful of everybody's time. Let me just put this video on repeat if you want to stay with it a little bit longer. Thanks for practicing with me today.